To access and replace a Basin mixer cartridge, you'll need just a few basic tools. An Allen key, which can vary from 1.5mm to 3mm depending on your tap, and a spanner or socket. Before you start, make sure to isolate the water supply to the tap. Then, start by removing the small cover cap located at the back of the tap handle. This will reveal the screw that secures the handle. Using an appropriately sized Allen key, loosen the screw and gently remove the handle. Next, unscrew the bezel cap by hand. Now, using a spanner or socket, loosen and remove the brass nut that holds the cartridge in place. If it's difficult to loosen the brass nut, gently tap the top of it around the spindle. This may help release the seal naturally formed during service. With the nut removed, you can now take out the cartridge. Gently wiggle and pull it upwards to release it from the tap body. Take your new cartridge and push it firmly into place, making sure to align the pins on the bottom of the cartridge with the location holes inside the tap body. Once the cartridge is correctly seated, you can reassemble the tap. Replace the brass nut and tighten firmly with a spanner or socket. Screw the bezel cap back on. Then, reattach the handle and secure it with the Allen key. Finally, press the cover cap back into place. Double check that all parts are secure and properly aligned. Then, turn the water back on and test the tap to ensure everything is working smoothly.